Hi. Today is the day. We're going to try to get this running. I haven't heard this thing run since I pulled it out of the old CJ5. So I don't have water in it, but I do have oil and everything else in it. So we're going to try to start it. I don't have no fuel in the fuel tank, but I do have a bottle. So what we're going to do is try to fill up the vent tube and see what we got going on there. I do have this, my little rig, my little bottle with my feeder. I'm going to try to fill this thing up. Whoop, we got gas already. Oh, she's thirsty. Taking a lot. I'm going to check for gas leaks, stuff like that. Come on. Man, it's taking a lot. It's going to empty my little bottle. I don't see anything leaking out anywhere. Huh. Seems like a lot. All right. Stow that right there. All right, all that's left, I guess, is to turn the key. I'm gonna take you off of here because it's to the front, it's gonna be vibrating. Let's go back here. I'm a little scared. I don't know if this thing is gonna fire off or not. Key on. Runs. It sounds good too. Wonder why we got backfiring going on. Well, we'll figure that out once we get the look at all the smoke in there. I'm gonna have to open the garage door. But it runs. It's all we wanted to find out, if all my wiring and everything was hooked up right. Oh, I forgot to see if I had oil pressure. Oh, damn it. Let's try it again and see if we got oil pressure. Yep. Anyway, let me put you back in here. Get a little more fuel in there. I don't have much left. Man, that thing flew right off. Right off. Can't beat that. That thing took right off. We'll empty all this in there. Yep, okay, that's empty. All right. I'm gonna die from carbon monoxide. Let's see if we have oil pressure. Start her up again. Well, that oil pressure line has to get full of oil, but it's running and I'm happy. Thanks for watching the video.